proud of myself because in this video, we're going to talk about my best luxury purchase of 2023. I did that. I did. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. Now, listen. Okay. I put these 2 degrees to work, honey. Okay. Girl, your degrees don't got nothing to do with you shopping. That ain't the point. Alright, what I'm trying to say is that I'm smart, okay? Because I purchased these luxury items in 2023 and they work. They are working for the Munty Hunty. Is that a thing? Work? Probably not. Okay, let's go with it though. Listen, let's start off with my first. Is it luxury? It's luxury to me, okay? I am talking about my Longchomp. Is that how you say it? Probably not. My Longchomp Backpack. Now, Longchamp wasn't on my radar, right? And then my friend Jean had a tote, right? The same Jean, yes, he be making me spend money. The same Jean that made me buy that almond berry. He had a Longchamp, and I was like, ooh, you know what I can use that for? I can use that for when I'm camping, or you know, going on my little adventures, because I don't like bringing my luxury bags, the luxury bags that cost a lot of money, okay? And I was like, this is, so when I went to look at Longchamp, because he had a tote, and I saw a backpack, boom, and this has been on every trip. It is super easy. It also folds, so I can just like pack it, throw it in the motorhome, because you know RVs don't got a lot of space, so you just throw. This was a good buy, and I think it was like $125, something like that. I don't know. If I can find it, I will link it. But yep, this was good. This was good. Listen, y'all knew she was gonna make an appearance, okay? But I'm gonna be quick, for y'all won't be sick of me. This is my Neonoe BB. I told y'all about this bag. I've been raving about this bag since I opened it. When I say this is probably the, let me think, I'm trying to think, but I'm pretty sure I'm telling the truth. This is probably the best purchase of 2023. Love this bag. Now, it does come with a vachetta strap. I switched out the strap for my, hold on. I know you're like, girl, we done talked about that bag ad nauseum. I know. But listen, I can't help it. I love it. But usually, okay, I take this thing here, right? And I, boom, put it there. This never comes off, okay? This is a little vachetta strap I had got from Amazon. Of course, if I can link it, I will link it. And I usually put that thing like that right there. Put that thing like that right there. Every day. Every day. Let me move this stool out the way so I can pose for y'all real quick, because you know I already think I'm cute when I put this bag on. Hold on, I can't, can you see? Child, I can't bend on my tippy toes. I don't want to re-break my ankle because I be already doing too much. Can you see? Listen, trust me, it's cute, okay? The best purchase of 2023. The best purchase of 2020.
Hell no.
I'm stop. I know. I'm stop. No, this is not the wrong video. I am not showing these in the wrong video. This is one of the best purchases of 2023. Now, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. Like, girl, if you don't get them big ass shoes, listen. Trust me. They're big as hell. No lie told. They're big as hell. However, when you have them on your feet, it's like hidden cushion. I can't explain it unless that explains it. When you put your foot in them, it's soft. Now, pressing on it, like on the inside, you don't feel the cushion. But when you walk and you step down, oh, it's so soft. In your hand, they're heavy. On your feet, they're not. And when I say you want to flex, right here. But it's a comfortable flex. You flexing, but you comfortable. You ain't in heels. You ain't in nothing tight. You flexing on them in comfort. I'm telling you. Love these shoes. Now, here's the thing. I've worn these probably about 4 or 5 times. Maybe a little more, but definitely 4 or 5 times. With dirt wear. Dirt wear. And I don't know how they did that. Because it's leather, material, I don't know, but it ain't my problem. As long as it stay looking like this, best purchase. And they are, what's that thing? What's that saying? Conversation starter. They're conversation starter. I like your shoes. Oh, what's that on your feet? Oh, where you get that? That's the question I don't understand. Where you get that from? Girl, you know where I got. What you mean? What you mean? Is that your way of trying to ask me, are they fake? That's okay. That's okay. Because it's cute. And no, they're not fake. Haven't taken it off. In real life. Haven't taken it off. Okay? Definitely the month of December. September and no, damn, 3 months? Girl, you've been walking around raggedy for 3 months? When I did that math in my head, girl, I've been walking around here raggedy for 3 months. But ever since I broke my ankle, leg, all that, I haven't really went anywhere where like I put some real clothes on. But there's some days where you want to be put together. You don't want to look like you just rolled out of bed. You know what I'm saying? Days I want to do my natural hair. Okay? This cap. Now listen, this ain't my first Louis Vuitton cap. Okay? I got this one from the Kusama collection. I got a Gucci one. I got a Damier Azur. And then I have a couple of bucket hats. Now before I got this one, I used to wear my Prada bucket hat a lot. But a bucket hat gives you Santa Monica Beach Day vibes. Okay? This gives you sporty, cute vibes. It's a difference. I promise you it's a difference. You like difference where, girl, think about it. It's a difference. Bucket hat, I'm laid, I'm vibed out. You know what I'm saying? Cap, I'm trying to be cute but a little sporty. You know what I'm saying? In my mind anyway. Listen, I don't know if it makes in my mind, okay? Love this thing. I've only had it probably 2 months and I wore it out. Out of a 30-day month, probably 28, 27, 26, 20 something. A long time. A lot of times. Now this is kind of a cheat. This is kind of a cheat. Let me tell you why. Because I've had this turtle dove color for years. Is that yes, for years. So I kind of knew I was going to wear her a lot because obviously she's black, right? But double. Nobody warned me a black handbag. Child, you can wear this with anything. I done wore this with sweats. And sweats. I told you I ain't been nowhere locked out. But this, the versatility, I've worn this so much. This is, and I have other black handbags, but the other black handbags in my collection are for a purpose, like for work, for being dressed up. This is for all of the above. This is for everything. I promise you. This is the best. Now she don't take the crown, but Neonoe BB takes the crown. But she coming up behind her. She right on her neck. For best purchase of 2023. Okay, good people, that is it. Those are my best luxury purchase for 2023. Let me know down in the comments what was your best purchases for 2023. I bet you they don't beat mine. But I could be wrong. I don't know everything. I know a little bit. I know a little bit. But I don't know everything. So let me know your best purchases of 2023 so we can talk about it. And then, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And Christmas is coming. So you want to know what I got for Christmas. I ain't get a lot. I ain't get a lot because my husband tired of me. He like, I don't even like you like that. I ain't mind, you know. But hopefully I get a little something, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you can come back and see what I got for Christmas. And then follow me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, and my Facebook group. Y'all thought I forgot? You thought the harassment was over? It ain't. Go ahead, join my Facebook group. I will have it linked in the description. Join my Facebook, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, all the places at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.